Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Welcome to Cool Treats Co. Let's see how our favorite ice cream is made, scoop by scoop.
First, the yummy ingredients arrive. Fresh milk, rich cream, sweet sugar, and real vanilla.
All these ingredients are poured into a giant tank and gently mixed to create our special ice cream base. The mix is warmed to make it safe and super fresh, then quickly cooled down again.
Now for the fun part. We add delicious flavors like strawberry, chocolate, or vanilla to our mix.
Next, the flavored mix goes into a super cold freezer. Big paddles churn it until it becomes soft and creamy ice cream.
Next, the flavored mix goes into a super cold freezer. Big paddles churn it until it becomes soft and creamy ice cream.
Some ice creams get yummy chocolate chips, crunchy nuts, or colorful sprinkles swirled in.
The creamy ice cream is then poured into different tubs, cups, and cones, ready for packing.
To make it firm and perfect for scooping, the ice cream travels through a very cold tunnel.
And there you have it! Our delicious ice cream is ready to travel to you. Enjoy your cool treat!
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!